We did lots of talking and lots of hugging and lots of chatting and lots of meeting this weekend, and we're back home and we're exhausted and we're gonna take a little break today. Homesteading is all about building community and honing skills. And around honing skills, again, comes building community. And over the last couple of years, we've been able to make lots of friends, learn a lot from them. We've been able to teach a lot as well from the lessons that we had learned over the years and with some of the mistakes that we've made, and been able to pass on some of that knowledge down the road through workshops, through classes, and just through chats and videos as well. This weekend we went up to Alabama for a YouTuber meetup and a meet and greet that our friends at Head Family Farm and Just Dig It Farms put up at Petals of the Past, which is a beautiful nursery up in Alabama. I like the little sticky signs, it's cute. Hi, Miss Tina.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
This weather.
Are you excited about your class?
I am. I'm very excited.
I'm excited about your class.
Are you gonna come?
Yeah, I told everybody. It's like, Gina is great on stage. She's got a great stage presence. You got a great voice for it. So yeah,
thank you.
It's gonna be great.
Thank you. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna just dive into having a business on your farm.
Mm-hmm.
So a little bit of history on, this is my 4th year having the flower farm, so I'm going to just kind of jump in from how I got started into where I'm at now and how I got there.
Yep, that's perfect. Alabama. Thanks for sharing. A bunch of content creators were up there. A bunch of people came out to meet and chat and hug and hang out and have a good time. And of course, enjoy the beautiful nursery that Petals of the Past has built over the last couple of years. So Amber and I went out and we had an amazing time just connecting with subscribers that made their way out there to meet us. We had a great time reconnecting with friends that we don't get to see all that often. And these events that are being put on all over the place really help us connecting face to face with the people that we meet online, the people that reach out to us and have questions, and it really helps with the building community part of homesteading, which I think is so important. We did.
Man, that's some good eating. But we gonna do it just.
There's so many videos going on.
Jemison, Alabama, and
We practiced the dance last night.
So you ready for it, huh?
Good morning.
Birthday girl.
I know.
He's gonna love it.
Good, how are you? It's pretty cool. So proud. So proud.
Proud mama.
Yeah, with the Texas flag on top of everything in Alabama. We did not do a lot of videoing. We did not do a lot of pictures because we were busy talking and chatting and hugging. So if you didn't make it into the video or if you didn't make it into any pictures, I'm sure there are other videos and pictures out there. We've done some dancing, we've done chatting and learning, lots of great classes that happened as well at that event. And I just wanted to share a couple of clips that we did while we were out there and thank all of you for being here, for supporting us by watching, by sharing our content. We appreciate you so much. So thank you for being here. Thank you for returning, and we hope to see you in the next videos and the videos to come. And if you're not yet doing so, follow us on our other platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, and make sure that you visit us over at our webpage on hiddenoakshomestead.com.